Hey everyone, we are going to start doing some more on-the-fly training just on specific questions, specific aspects of the back office because it was requested in a poll that we did recently. One thing that often comes up from new members, and rightfully so because everybody's excited, there's some shiny objects here tied to the ecosystem from the main flagship bot, the XAI bot, to the Zeus Bot, to the NeoBank, to the cards, to the tokens. It's really easy to want to feel like you as a new member need to get engaged in multiple products. Well, the one thing that will come up is this, and let's just go ahead and address this right now. Can I engage in the Zeus Bot, or should I get involved in the Zeus Bot when, say, somebody's just come in? Maybe it's $1,500, maybe it's $5,000, maybe it's $10,000 in the main bot, meaning the XAI bot. Hey, should I get involved in the Zeus Bot? Well, there's a few things that will help you understand whether you should or not, or whether you should teach somebody in your team to do so. And that is all about whether there's a desire to rank up in the system, to rank up all the way to the 15th level if somebody really had the gumption and interest to do so. So with the ranking structure, you'll notice there's a total LV and a required LV. The required LV to get to Voyager, basically you join and you are a Nova. You don't have to do anything. You get 3% of everybody you bring in. What you want to do is increase to Voyager. So the Voyager, it says here, $7,500 in total volume. And then the required volume is 3,000, which is 40% of that. So as a reminder, legacy volume determines your ranking level, and it, meaning legacy volume, equals 40% of your total team sales. So the only way to have team sales, in this case on Voyager, of $7,500, that could be across one person, two people, five people, 75 people, it doesn't matter. As long as $7,500 in the system is ignited and the system sees $7,500 below you, then you will have $3,000 in legacy volume and you can be a Voyager. Now, to be a Voyager, there's one other requirement, and you can see here, if I maximize this just a little bit more, maybe you can see that you need one enrollment minimum. That's it for the Voyager. I'm not going to get into the other ranking structures. You can see them there. There are some requirements to bring in multiple lines, separate lines tied to your main position or your only position. So what I would say is the only way to have legacy volume is to ensure people focus on the XAI bot. Now, should they go into the Zeus Bot? Well, it depends. So if I bring this up, this chart, this is a really handy chart. You can see legacy volume, any volume tied into the Zeus Bots does not count for legacy volume. Therefore, if you're going to have somebody focus on it, then it's not going to count for any team sales. It doesn't count for direct sales, does not count for legacy volume, team sales. You do get a profit share on whatever level you're at directly for anybody who does engage in the Zeus Bot, but that's about it. So let's go into the Zeus Bot and talk about the Zeus Bot. I'm going to bring it up here, and then I'm going to open it up. In this case, I'm going to pin my sidebar in Opera, kind of expand that just a little bit, move that over. So the Zeus Bot. You can access the Zeus Bots in the little rocket ship here at the bottom right. And the Zeus Bots can be found under the not active tab there. Let's look at the percentages though on what these bots actually typically bring in. So if I bring this over here, this is a typical week. This is the videos being done on April 15th, tax day 2026. This was from last week. You can see the main flagship bot, the one that counts for legacy volume, did 4.11% for the week. And any of the Zeus bots down here, you know, less than 1%, just over 1%, just under 3%. And you're looking at, you're going, Zeus, Pepe, you know, meme coin, shit coin. Do I really want to accumulate that, all that in commissions? Why do people actually engage in it? Well, because they go out and buy Pepe in the open market on an exchange, and they bring it over into their their NeoBank wallet, and then they just start trading it. So another thing, the advantage of the Zeus bot is you can bring over crypto that you own or want to own, and you don't have to sell it. You can actually then stop the bot and then withdraw it back to whatever wallet or exchange that you got it from. So let me just move that out of the way. So again, taking a look at those percentages. Does somebody want to focus on 1-2% a week or 4% a week, and not have the lower percentages count towards legacy volume? So over here on the wallet, how do you top up your wallets in the NeoBank? First of all, you click on top up, and then you click the currency. If you want to bring over Bitcoin, then there's the address that, in this case, I would send my Bitcoin to, tied to my Bitcoin NeoBank wallet. One more time, my NeoBank Bitcoin wallet. So if I come over here to the scroll down, so you can see I tried topping up. I thought I was going to top up, didn't really top up. And then I keep scrolling down here, and there is my wallet balances. I really don't engage in this much, but look at the amount of Pepe I have, man. It's just like it accumulates due to commissions for other people that I've brought in trading that pair. So how do you trade the pair again? Rocket ship, going back up here. And then if I bring up Pepe/USDT, you can see if I hit max, I don't even have the required amount to trade. That there's a minimum. Can barely bring that up there. Well, I'm going to highlight it, see if you can see it. What is that? 270,000 or 2.7 million? I'm not sure, but I don't have enough even to trade that. BNB, I could hit max on that. Don't have enough there either. So I don't have anything to trade, but I do have a few things I am trading. You can see there's an active tab here. I am trading the XAI Pro Bot, which is only available in the NeoBank. And I'm, got a whole less than $600 in there. In the last 50 days, it's accumulated $70 for me. I could stop this bot anytime. This accumulation, the 68 plus the 575, when I stop this bot, would be added to my wallet. Actually, you know what? Let me just check something here. I'm going to stop this bot right now just for training purposes, so you can see how this works. So when you stop the trading bot, all current trades will be closed automatically at the current market price. You will not be able to resume the same trades, and the profit or losses will be reflected in your account. So confirm. Okay, so I only have one active bot now. I'm trading Sol. And if I go back, you can see the Pro Bot right there is available for me to trade again. Now, if I go back to my wallet and I look at the USDT there, that increased my USDT balance, and that is that. So all that, what we should have done is to see how much was in my USDT balance to show that it reflected the increase. But it did, because I've done this multiple times. So again, you're going to learn multiple things from this video. You've learned why to or not to use the Zeus bot. You've learned how to top up your wallet in the NeoBank by clicking on wallets and then topping up and then picking what, let's just say you want to bring over Ethereum. I'm going to do this one more time. There's my Ethereum address. You go to your private wallet or your exchange and you send Ethereum over there. Really simple, really easy. If I want to withdraw, I pick the wallet here that I've got some funds in. If I pick USDT, I've got almost $4,000 I can withdraw. If I hit max, I hit withdrawal. It's going to, you know, I got to put the address in here, of course. So it's pretty simple. It's pretty intuitive. But again, if someone is interested in being a partner, growing a team, ranking up the system, using the Zeus Bot immediately may not be the best bet. Not only for that, on the percentages, but one more time, get that out of the way, for that reason right there. With that said, I want to keep this short. If there's any questions, dump them below this video and we will answer them accordingly.